Do you hate people that hum too?
Mostly, yeah. Yeah. Can't stand them. Humming is so stupid.
So if you walking around DJ Code and you humming, please stop. Pass that person because he's humming right now.
Yeah, right. Go punch him in his throat. He don't deserve to hum, no.
There's a lot of people that chew gum, which I think, I just don't understand the point of gum.
I don't.
It seems like a waste. Why?
Like bubble gum is gross.
Bubble
Like, why
gum.
are you doing that?
So nasty. Walking backwards. Who just walks backwards? Unless you're on a treadmill and you're trying to exercise. I've seen people do that.
Yeah, but like.
But walking backwards on the street is wild.
That is kind of wild.
I mean, if you're a singer, I can see this.
Or a psychopath.
Oh, well, DJ Cole said it. I didn't.